In this video, I'll show you how to invite friends on Hamster Kombat. When you invite friends, you can earn extra coins. First thing you'll do is open the app and click on Friends on the bottom of your screen. Now we can see when we invite a friend, we will get 5,000 coins for you and also for your friend. If your friend has Telegram Premium, you both get 25,000 coins. You will also gain bonuses if your friend levels up. If your friend reaches level silver, you get 20,000 coins and your friend gets 20,000 coins as well. And with premium, you get even more. For every level, you get more coins. So it's very crucial to invite a lot of friends, as this will give you more coins. So how do we invite friends? On the bottom of your screen, we can see the invite a friend button. Now we click on the right button. Now we copy the link. We can send this link to our friends, and when they sign up using our link, we will get coins. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.